Analyze the past, consider the present, and visualize the future, said Thomas John Watson, the illustrious chairman of IBM. Keeping the aforesaid statement in our mind, heart, and soul, we, Team Synergy, begin this presentation. Cockpit. Welcome to the cockpit. Here, the owner sees a bird's eye view of his business. How his sales are performing, what are the total profits, and what has been the profit margin. Where profit margin is the number of dollars earned in profit per $100 of sales. The owner can also see how the sales have transitioned over the years. We can also see a mega-sized map here, in a way physically providing context to the bird's eye view. Colored by profit, the owner can have a look at the overall sales for any state of his choice. Coming on to the regions that account for greater number of orders. Differentiated by regions, here the user sees how the platform is performing according to categories, namely furniture, office supplies, and technology. Also, at an overall level, he sees the total sales by region. Frequency distribution by quantity ordered. Specifically, frequency distribution among the years 2014 to 2017. For example, the number 1703 here means the third month of year 2017. Using the graph visualization here enables the user to identify trends that repeat throughout the years. For example, how there is a jump in orders in September, how the orders increase in an almost consistent manner from January to December, and then the cycle continues.
Coming to the percentage sales by different product categories, here using pie chart visualization, sales by category represents the sales ratio by category. The category also has subcategories. For example, technology has subcategories such as copiers, accessories, machines, and phones, with phones at the forefront. Therefore, owner can apply the same metaphor to the remaining two categories, understanding that they are the most sold in the corresponding categories. Profits, profits, profits. Tell me the profits. Yes, sir. Here you go. Represented by quintessential green. We have a look here at the total profits and the most profitable subcategories in each category. Also, we have included here a list of the top 5 most profitable products on the e-commerce platform. Your most unhappy customers are your most important source of learning, said Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft. Understanding the sources of loss is also very important. Along with the category-wise outlook, here we have included a list of the top 5 products with most losses in each category. Looking into these products helps the owner understand where to concentrate his effort in minimizing these losses.
Coming to product type that was ordered greater number of times. Here we first identify how different categories account for quantity. For example, how technology is the most ordered category on the platform. Taking a deeper look, here we analyze how different subcategories attribute to the total figure, that is understanding what are the most sought after products in different categories. Yearly sales for various states. Along the years and differentiated by the region, here the owner can see how are different states performing by sales. Also, he can have a look at the state with the most sales. Forecasting future sales according to shipping date. Here we have made use of IBM Watson Studio to make a model based on category, region, and shipping date. Then After updating the dataset with the model's predicted values, we have generated these visualizations. We take an overall look at sales first based on categories and then the total sales by shipping year. Yes, there are dotted lines here because we wanted to make full use of IBM's capabilities at both Watson Studio and Cognos Analytics. Using Watson Studio, we have predicted the sales figures of 2018 and 2019. And then making use of the forecast feature of Cognos Analytics, we have also predicted sales for the years 2020 and 2021.
Now, let's have a look at the trends in profit by sales over time, or more precisely, the profit margins. Having a yearly outlook, the owner observes how the margins increased rapidly from 2014 to 2015, then increased at a slower rate in 2016, finally dropping a bit in 2017. Category-wise, the owner can observe how behavior of different regions transition with the flow of time. For example, in technology, South region has the least profit margins over the year, but the same region becomes the top performer in the furniture category.
Now coming on to the bonus slide. For the platform to achieve its goals, the customers must first achieve theirs. Understanding where our customers come from and where they shop most is very important. On the left side, there are visualizations by category and region. For example, here the owner observes that there are consistently more corporate customers from the West regions, whereas the East and West regions together dominate the consumer space. On the right side, we understand how customers are spread across consumers, corporate, and home offices. With this, we conclude our analytical dashboard presentation and thank IBM and Smart Interns for this wonderful opportunity. This is Team Synergy signing off. Thank you.